So this is an unboxing of the Overmont enameled cast iron cookware that I was sent. I did use the scissors to open the box this way because no one wants to see me do that, but have not actually looked inside yet. This is how it's packed. I'm surprised there's not a little bit more packaging around that, just to keep everything safe and secure, but nothing seems to be damaged. It comes in its own separate box inside the bigger box. I actually probably would have just shipped this box. Oh, it's heavy, which heavy is what you want for cast iron. So we're good with that. This is the Dutch oven, and we're gonna open this one up too. It's heavy, which again, you want it to be heavy. And I am going to compare it with the cast iron that I have that's Le Creuset cast iron, because I know everyone is used to that being kind of the gold standard. So here's what's included. I have a lot of this blue already. I also have some green, but I'm kind of excited. So differences I see right now is that the Overmont, it's got kind of a metallic instead of the plastic that I'm used to, which I do worry about this getting a little bit warm, but I know it comes with some heat resistant pieces as well. And then on the flip side, I could feel this already. This is a new thing. You're gonna see that there are these little dimples here. So these dimples will catch all the condensation and then have it drip back down onto whatever you're cooking. So when you're making meats and things like that, instead of it all staying up here, it will drip back down and kind of baste it and help keep things really moist and nice. So I'm kind of excited about this new feature that my current cast iron from Le Creuset does not have. And then here are all the things that come with it. So like I said, it's got little pieces. These are really cute. That will help keep the heat away. These are gonna go on the handles to help you carry it. They're nice. They're definitely insulated, so I don't worry that I'm going to end up with something bad happening there. And then this is the actual cast iron piece. Oh yeah, heavy. So inside there's a booklet of cast iron recipes. So you can see English, German, and Spanish. So 2 to 27. There's quite a bit of them. Oh, a big breakfast donut. I am so making that. Banana cream pancakes, chicken piccata. This is a pork shoulder. So it looks like there's quite a few recipes in here that you can try. A crispy pork belly sounds delicious. So that's nice to have in there, just because sometimes you don't know what to do with these. This is all of the cares and the cleaning. Always, you know, you want to make sure that you're going to get this nice and warm and cook and clean with it properly. Talk about how to clean it. Again, dishwasher cleaning not recommended. Do not dry or dishwasher that. And also make sure you dry it thoroughly, especially around this edge, because this is the only unfinished edge. And this is where you can kind of have some rust buildup. And on this side too, you're gonna have the same thing. There's a little bit of unfinished cast iron, which is typical because you want it to fit together nicely and not chip. So you're gonna wanna make sure you dry this completely. And then it also comes with a trivet. So this is a handy little thing because your cast iron holds heat really well. So you wanna make sure you're protecting your surfaces. And this is a nice, really easy little piece. And it's just gonna slide right under there and keep things secure. And then for here, this will be a great way to lift this when I'm trying to carry the two pieces. And then this also can fit over here and have me lift up this, because that way you've got some protection here, but your whole hand isn't covered, so you're not losing the control of your actual hands and fingers when it's too big of a lid. So I really like the colors of this. It's very pretty. It's a little bit ombre almost, which is cool. I really like it. And then on the inside, I can see it's very smoothly done. There's no imperfections in here. And so this is going to be a really great cast iron pot. So that's the unboxing of the Overmont cast iron, Dutch oven cast iron.